Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring your Cardano, ADA, from Bitmart to Phantom Wallet is a smart move for better security and control. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an active account on Bitmart with some ADA in it, and the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device. Also, double-check that your Phantom Wallet is set up and linked to your Cardano assets. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallet section and find your Cardano balance. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Select the Withdraw option for Cardano. Before you proceed, open your Phantom Wallet. Go to the Cardano tab and copy your wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's a string of letters and numbers, so paste it carefully. Step 3. Back in Bitmart, paste the Phantom Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Choose the Cardano network specifically, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Enter the amount of ADA you want to transfer, and take a moment to review any withdrawal fees. They vary, so keep an eye on your costs. Step 4. Hit Confirm on the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. This usually takes a few minutes, but it depends on network traffic in 2025. Be patient. Once it's complete, open your Phantom Wallet and refresh to see your ADA appear. Awesome job! You've successfully moved your assets. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check details and use secure connections. If you're new to this, consider enabling two-factor authentication on both platforms. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.